Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we will study sentences of present perfect continuous tense. Here the structure is subject plus have been or has been plus ing form of the verb plus object or adverbial or complement. Today we will study sentences with for and since. For you will make use of for when you will speak about period of time, and you will make use of since when you speak about point of time. For example, I have been teaching you English for half an hour. अर्ध्या तासापासून मी तुम्हाला इंग्रजी शिकवत आलेलो आहे. She has been reading a story since 8 o'clock. 8 वाजल्यापासून ती एक गोष्ट वाचत आलेली आहे. So if the subject is I, we, you, they, then you will make use of have been. And if the subject is he, she, it, then you will make use of has been. If the subject is plural noun, then you will make use of have been. If the subject is singular noun, you will make use of has been. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those students who wants to tell a sentence, they can raise their hands. Yes?
He has been living in Pune since 1990.
Okay, very good. He has been living in Pune since 1990.
He has been sleeping from 2 hours.
2 hours. He has been sleeping for 2 hours. Good sentence.
He has been working here since last Monday.
He has been working here since last Monday. Good sentence. Do you want to tell a sentence? Afterwards. Okay, tell. Please tell.
My friend Poonam has been suffering from malaria since last week.
Very good sentence. Please tell, Shruti.
She has been playing for 2 hours.
She has been playing for 2 hours. Nice sentence.
We have been studying English for 4 years.
Very good sentence.
He has been working her math last Sunday.
He has been working here since last Sunday.
Namrata has been working here since last Sunday.
Okay, good sentence. Do you want to tell a sentence, Ashwini?
He has been working here since last Saturday.
Okay, nice sentence.
He has been living in London since 1990.
He has been living in London since 1990. You can change the year. He has been living in London since 2000. Yes, nice sentence. Yes, Rupali.
My daddy has been suffering from malaria since last week.
Repeat your sentence.
My daddy has been suffering from malaria since last week.
Okay, good sentence. Do you want to tell a sentence? No, you require some more time. I will ask you, wait. Please take your hands down. Girls, take your hands down. Please tell your sentence.
We have been studying English for 3 hours. Since 3 hours.
Oh no, since you should take the time. We have been
3 hours.
for 3 hours. We have been studying English for 3 hours. Nice sentence.
He has been sleeping for 4 hours.
He has been sleeping for 4 hours.
He has been living in Delhi since 2001.
Okay, he has been living in Delhi since 2001.
We have been studying English for 4 years.
We have been studying English for 4 years. Nice
We
sentence.
have been studying math for 4 hours here.
4 years. We have been studying maths for 4 years. Good sentence. So you told me so many sentences. Yes.
We have been studying Marathi for 5 years.
5 years. We have been studying Marathi for 5 years.
My uncle has been suffering from America since last week.
No. My uncle has been suffering from fever. My uncle has been suffering from fever for
Since last week.
okay since last week. Good sentence.
He has been living in Pune since
2014.
2014.
My uncle has been living in Pune since 2014. Nice sentence.
He has been working here since last month.
Okay, nice sentence. Keep quiet. Girls, keep quiet. Girls, keep quiet.
We have been studying Hindi from 6 Yes.
We have been studying here for 6 years. Okay, nice try.
He has been writing for 3 hours.
He has been writing for 3 hours.
He has been playing for 6 hours.
He has been playing for 6 hours.
Shruti has been sleeping for 6 hours.
Okay, good sentence. Shruti, please stand up.
She has been teaching science for 4 years.
She has been teaching science for 4 years. Good sentence.
Akshara has been teaching in that school for over 6 years.
Akshara has been teaching or learning. Repeat your sentence. Akshara has been teaching in that.
school for over 6 years.
Okay, good sentence. Good sentence. Keep quiet.
Namrata has been sleeping for 4 hours.
Okay, good sentence.
He has been sleeping for 6 hours.
6 hours. He has been sleeping for 6 hours.
We have been studying math for 4 years.
We have been studying maths for 4 years. Do you want to tell a sentence?
We have been studying math for your.
We have been studying maths for 2 years. You can say anything.
My brother has been sleeping 6 hours.
Okay, nice sentence.
Namrata has been working here since last Sunday.
Okay, nice sentence.
They have been practicing the cooking for last week.
Okay, they have been practicing cooking since last week.
Preeti has been living in Mumbai since 1990.
Okay, nice sentence.
He has been working her math last Sunday.
He has been working here since last Sunday.
He has been Lakshman sleeping for 6 hours.
Lakshman has been sleeping here for 6 hours. 6 hours.
He has been working her since last Monday.
He has been working here since last Monday.
He has been working here since last Sunday.
Okay, good sentence.
Karan has been sleeping in for 7 hours.
Karan has been sleeping here since for 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. Good sentence. Very nice sentences. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.